Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can reset your Sony SRS-XB22 Bluetooth speaker. With this you can solve many software or connectivity related problems. So first you have to power on the speaker by pressing the power button. When the speaker turned on, you have to open this cap at the back on the speaker, where you can find a reset button. You can press it using a pin. After pressing it, the speaker turns off and it's resetted. If this didn't solve your problem, you should try to hard or factory reset the speaker to the factory default. With this, the speaker will forget all the settings and all the paired devices. So to do this, you have to power on the speaker again, and you have to press the volume down and the power button simultaneously around for 5 seconds till the speaker turns off. Now the speaker turned off, it is resetted back to the factory default. So if I turn on the speaker, it won't automatically connect to the formerly connected device, but it starts in pairing mode. As you can see, the Bluetooth LED starts blinking quickly and you can connect to it via Bluetooth. I hope this solved your problem. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, and if you like the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.